In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a straight line in GIMP, a versatile image editing software that's both powerful and free. Whether you're new to GIMP or just looking for a quick refresher on one of its basic but essential skills, this tutorial will help you get there. Let's begin with the very first step. You need to open up your GIMP application. If you haven't installed it yet, GIMP is available on most operating systems, and downloading it is as simple as visiting GIMP's official website. Once you have it installed, go ahead and launch the program. You'll be greeted with the GIMP interface, which might look a bit complicated at first, but don't worry, it's easier than it seems. Now that you have GIMP open, we'll move on to drawing a straight line. Selecting the right tool is critical. On your left, where you see a toolbox filled with various icons, you'll want to locate and select the icon that looks like a pencil. This is, unsurprisingly, called the pencil tool. It's perfect for drawing lines because it produces hard, pixelated strokes that can mimic that natural pencil-on-paper look. With your pencil tool selected, drawing a straight line in GIMP is surprisingly straightforward. All you need to do is decide where you want your line to begin. Move your cursor to that starting point and click once to anchor it. Don't drag your mouse yet. There's a handy keyboard shortcut that GIMP uses to help ensure your line is straight. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. Doing so enables a temporary guideline that snaps your drawing direction to a perfect straight line, ensuring precision even if your hand is a bit unsteady. Keeping the Shift key pressed, move your cursor to the position where you want the other end of the line to be. You'll notice a preview guide of the line extending from your starting point towards your cursor. It helps you ensure the line is snapping to the direction you want. Once you're satisfied with the positioning and length, simply click your mouse button again. And just like that, you've successfully drawn a straight line in GIMP. You can lift your finger off the Shift key now. Drawing straight lines in GIMP might seem like a small task, but it's a fundamental skill that can save you so much time and effort, especially when working on bigger projects or more detailed graphic design tasks. That's it. We've covered everything you need to know about drawing a straight line in GIMP today. Whether it's for creating borders, aligning elements, or simply designing creatively, this skill will definitely come in handy. Keep practicing and exploring more tools within GIMP. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next tutorial.